Namaste everyone. Hope you all staying at home and staying safe. Along with online classes, please follow this offline video also so that you will get a clear idea of every topic. Okay. So today our topic is movements of the earth. Okay. How the earth moves, how many types of movement. There are two types of movements. That means the earth moves in two different ways. One is rotation and the another one is revolution. Let us discuss about rotation. What is rotation? Look at the globe. The spinning of the earth around its own axis is called rotation. I am repeating. The spinning of the earth around its own axis is called rotation. The earth moves in anti-clockwise direction. In a rotation movement, the earth moves in anti-clockwise direction. This rotation of the earth causes day and night. Let us see how this rotation of the earth is causing day and night.
You know that the earth receives heat and light from the sun during the day. But during the night, everything is dark and it gets cooler. What happens to the sun during the night? Where does it go? Let's do an activity to solve the mystery of the disappearing sun. We need a ball, a candle, an empty glass, and a pen. With the pen, draw a small house on the ball. Place the ball on the glass and fix the candle in front. You can see that the candle light does not reach the whole ball. The part of the ball facing the candle is lit up, while the part away from the candle is dark. Is the house in the lighted or the dark part? Yes, it is in the lighted part. Now, if you turn the ball, then the part with the house on it becomes dark, as it does not receive light from the candle. If you continue to rotate, the dark part of the ball gets lit up again. You know that night follows day. Does that mean that the earth too is turning around in front of a bright lighted object? Now imagine the candle is the sun and the ball is the earth. At any time, only one half of the earth gets sunlight and it is daytime there. The other half does not get sunlight and it is night there. So, the sun does not disappear. It's due to the movement of the earth that there is day and night.
So, rotation means the spinning of the earth around its own axis. Along with this rotation, there is a second movement that is called revolution. So, what is revolution? Along with this rotation, the earth moves around the sun in a fixed path which is called orbit. So, this movement is called revolution. What is meant by revolution? The earth rotates around its own axis. Along with that, it moves around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. This movement is called revolution. Like how rotation is taking one complete day, like 24 hours. So, revolution takes 365 days. That means one revolution equals to 365 days. The earth takes 365 days to move around the sun. So, because of this revolution, seasons occur. The revolution causes seasons. Like how rotation is causing day and night, revolution causes seasons. Let's see this video.
The earth moves in two ways. It also revolves around the sun. Let's see what is meant by revolution. When a planet
or a moon revolves around an object, it is called revolution. The imaginary path around which an object moves is called its orbit. This means that the Earth revolves around the Sun in its orbit. Do you know that the shape of the Earth's orbit is not circular but elliptical or oval in shape? The Earth takes about 365 and 1/4 days to complete one. The revolution of the Earth and the tilted axis of the Earth are two main factors that cause the occurrence of different seasons. As the tilted Earth moves around the Sun, a part of the Earth is closer to the Sun, which means that the other part is away from the Sun. When the North Pole is tilted towards the Sun, the Northern Hemisphere experiences summer, such as in the month of June. When the North Pole is away from the Sun, the Northern Hemisphere experiences winter, such as in the month of December. On the other hand, there is winter in the Southern Hemisphere in the month of June, and there is summer, such as in the month of December. When the two poles are at an equal distance away from the Sun, there are spring and autumn seasons. During these seasons, it is neither hot nor cold. India lies in the Northern Hemisphere. There is summer season in India in the months of March to May and winter in the months of December to February.
Now I understand the northern and southern hemispheres experience different seasons at the same time of the year. This change in seasons is caused by the tilting of the Earth on its axis and the revolution of the Earth around the Sun. When the northern hemisphere experiences summer, the southern hemisphere experiences winter and vice versa. Similarly, when the northern hemisphere experiences autumn, the southern hemisphere experiences spring and vice versa.
So, dear children, after watching video, it is very clear that seasonal changes occur at different places in the same month or in the old. Okay? Like if it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in the southern hemisphere. If it is autumn in the northern hemisphere, it is spring in southern hemisphere. Let's take an example. For example, consider India and Australia. See, India is in northern hemisphere and Australia is in southern hemisphere. That is why when we have summer, Australia have winter. When it is summer in India, it is winter in Australia. When it is autumn in India, it is spring in Australia. Okay, that means revolution causes seasonal changes. Hope you understand the difference between rotation and revolution. This is all about movements of the earth.